Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be discussing what is string in JavaScript, or we can say what is string in any of the programming languages. So first let's start with how you can declare a string. So for that first we have to write the type of the variable. So for that we are using here let and then the name of the string. So here the name of the string is a example string. So and then after equal to, under double quotes or single quotes, or we can also use backticks to declare a string. So what is the difference between them? So first the double quote. So here you can write a string. So this is an example string, so it will not show any error. And if you want to use single quote inside of a double quote or a double quote inside of a single quote, you can easily use them. So for that here uh, this it's here how you can use a single quote inside of a double quote, but here you can't use double quote, it will show an error. So for that you can use backtick to declare a string, and then inside of that backtick you can use a single quote or double quote, or single quote or double quote. So this is how you declare a string in JavaScript. Now let's console it. First console example string, it will console the string. So here it console the string. Oh sorry, my bad. I think I consoled. So first now let's talk about the function which we can use on the string, or the function of the string, or what we can say. So first let's start with the length keyword. It is used to return the length of the string. So for that here let length of the string, and example string dot length, it stores the variable length stores the length of the string. So here how, when you know console it, console length, it return the length of the string. So here it returned 27, which is the length of the string. Now let's talk about other function, that is character add, or we can say car add. So for that basically it returns the character at a specific position in the string. So for that specific sorry my bad specific position position equal to example string dot character add. So you want to return the character add, suppose 12, or we can use 13 indices, and if I console it, specified position, it returned the character at position 13, that is E. So basically 13 is the counting starts from 0. So for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13. So for 13th position it return E. So these are the two functions. The first one is length, which returns the length of the string, and then another that is used to return the character at a specified position or a specified index. Now the another one is add, which is introduced in 2022. It is also used for the same purpose. It returns the character at a specified position. Now the another one is slice. So it basically, slice is used to slice, or we can say create a substring of the string, or we can say we wanna extract some part of the string from the original string. So it is, so here we can say let, or like we can say split, oh sorry my bad, slice text, or sliced string equal to we can say example string, and then after dot we write slice, and the first argument is from where you want to start the slice, or we can say from where you want to create a substring. So first one is the starting point, that is we are returning a 5, and the second one is the ending point. So here we are writing 20. So it will slice the string from fifth index to 20th index, and now if we console the sliced string, it will return us the string which is sliced. So this is an example. It will return the string from the 5th to the 20th index. Now the another method, that is substring. So basically substring is also used for the same purpose, but we cannot use negative values in substring. We can use them in slice, but we cannot use them in substring. It will take the negative value as 0 as default. So here and now there is a to uppercase, it convert the sentence, or we can say the string, to uppercase. So for that, log, or we can take the example string dot uppercase. It will convert the string to uppercase. So as you can say, it converts the string into uppercase. Now the another function, or we can also use lowercase. It will convert the text or string into lowercase. Now the another one is concate. So basically concate is used to concate to string or add two substring to create one final string, or we can say add two strings to create another string. So let's understand it in an example. So here we have a example string 1. Now we will be creating another string, example string 2, and write this in a, we can say, the second string. And then if now let concate string. The first one is examples. First we write the name of the first string, that is example string, that then after that concate, and then pass the second string. Or so for that we are doing some space, and then after that we will pass the name of the second string. It will concat the two strings and return the final string, which stores in the concat string. So for that, console, we can say log concat string. It will return the concatenate string. So as you can say, it return the concatenated string, or we can say a combined string of two substring. So this is how you concate or add two string to make a single string. So for now we you have reached to concate. Now there is another one, that is trim. The trim function is used to trim the spaces from the string. So suppose we have spaces at the beginning and at the end of the string. Now if you want to trim the spaces from the string, so now if now if we console it, it will return all within spaces. As you can say, it is showing some spaces before and after, but we can use trim to trim the extra spaces. For that, log console, we're consoling it, the example string, and then dot trim. It trim the extra spaces. So as you can see in the last stage, so as you can see, it trims all the spaces from the beginning of the string and also from the ending of the string. And here you can see it is showing the spaces in other use cases, but it's not showing in this case. So now this is how you can trim the spaces from the string. Now there's also a replace, which replace the sentence, or which replace the character from the, or we can say a particular string, or we can say a number of characters from the string which are similar to the argument as we pass in the. So for that, let's say we can say console dot log, and here, sorry, my bad, we can store it in a variable. Let new str, sorry, my bad, new str equal to, suppose, example string dot replace. So here first we pass the character we want to replace or search, and then we want to replace the character from the string. So here we are writing, so this is the example string this. So here we are replacing this with a hello, this with a hello. So this, it replaces the this with a hello. So here we, if we new str, it replaces this with yellow. So as you can see, it replaces this with hello. Now the another one is replace it. So we saw replace, and then replace all. It replaces all the character with the similar as we pass in the argument. And the another one is a split. Is it splits the string into uh, two substring, or we can say a array of strings. So for that we can use like new let, or we can say splitted string equal to example one dot string dot split, and the argument is from where you want to split the string. So suppose I want to split it on the basis of a comma, so here I writing a comma or writing a comma, and then if I split on the basis of a comma, it will split the array. So if I console it, it will return us the array of strings, or we can say array of substrings which are split on the basis of. So here the first one is after comma, the second one is, and then the third one is string. So this basically, this is how you use split. And then the another one is index of. So by using index of, we will, it will return the index of the particular character. So for that, console.log, or we can say index, sorry, my bad, I think I wrote something. So basically it return the index of the character which we write. And then the another one is match. It matches all the, basically it matches all the characters on the string, and then return the characters. And there also there is a includes. If a particular sentence, or we can say a particular character includes in the string, or we can say it is in the array, it will return true, otherwise it will return false to us. So for that example, string dot includes, or we can say this, if it includes this, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So as you can say, it return true because this includes in the, suppose we write some random thing like dummy which not includes in it, it will return false for us. So it will return false. So basically this is a function. And then another one is starts with, if we pass some argument to it, and if the string starts with the letter, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So some, these are basically some of the most commonly used functions of string. So I think this is enough introduction for the string. And we talk about the string, we talk about strings and the functions of string, and also the some of the properties of the string. So this is how you create and how you can use methods of the string. So I think it's enough introduction of the string. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Until now, if you do like the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any further updates in the future. And also keep hustling, keep grinding, and thanks for watching. Bye bye. String.